If you've been struggling with the iTunes store not working on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be. Whether you're trying to download apps, update them, or make purchases, it's a real hassle. Usually, this issue pops up due to network problems, server issues, or incorrect settings. Don't worry, I've got some straightforward solutions for you to try. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see General, then tap on it. Keep scrolling down and tap on Date and Time. Now make sure to enable Set Automatically. This ensures your device is using the correct date and time. Solution 2. If offloading the app is taking too long, swipe down to access the control center. Now enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Alternatively, you can switch your connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. After that, restart your iPhone to refresh everything. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone settings. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list of apps until you find iTunes Store. Tap on Offload app, then tap on it again to confirm. Once the app has been offloaded, go ahead and tap Reinstall app. Solution 4. Sign out and sign back in with your Apple ID. Open the Settings app on your iPhone one more time. Tap on your name at the top, then scroll down and select Sign Out. Sign back in by entering your Apple ID credentials. Now try connecting to the iTunes Store again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cannot connect to an iTunes Store error on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble after trying these solutions, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. Good luck, and I hope you get back to downloading and enjoying your app soon.